Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing the new Chase Sapphire Reserve design, and I thought I'd do something a little different. Instead of kind of taking my time to open it one at a time, I thought I'd just lay everything out here just so you have more of a bird eye view of everything. So when you first get the card, it comes in this white box, and when you open it up, it has this nice presentation of like a dark blue, and it has this card holder. You can take it out, and when you first open it, it says Chase Sapphire Reserve, right, with the Chase logo. It says, "Welcome to Chase Sapphire Reserve." Now you can use this to pull this out, and in here you're gonna have the card, which I took out. It says Chase, of course, Sapphire Reserve. And here is the card that says, "Your card is ready to use." Now before we get to that, there is a little welcome note. It says, "Your key to more." And in the back, there's a little letter by the general manager, Sam Palmer. "Congratulations, you're right where you belong. Welcome to Chase Sapphire Reserve." Thought that was a nice touch. And here is the card. Your card is ready to use. It has this little paper, kind of like thin paper. Card contains metal, do not shred. That's it. So here is the new Chase Sapphire Reserve card. And I kind of like it. When I first saw it, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but when you see the card in person, it has a cool kind of like spider web, almost like leathery texture to it. And it says Chase Sapphire, it has the Chase logo, it says Sapphire Reserve, and it doesn't have your name. The older versions had your name in the front, but everything is now on the back. Of course, I covered it up, but yeah, it has your name, your card number, and such. And yeah, the back is kind of plain, nothing really interesting, but yeah, the front is a really cool kind of like web-like design, and I kind of like it a lot in person versus just seeing it online, right? And the thing about this card in particular is that it has a thicker metal core than the previous generation, so it doesn't bend as much. So I kind of like this. And just a quick drop test. So you can see it kind of sounds more like metal, right? Versus the past models, which had a more thinner layer of metal, so it sounded more plasticky, right? But yeah, so once you take the card out, and you can actually lift this part off the bottom, there is a book guide here of the rewards. It says this is only the beginning. And when you scan this QR code, it actually takes you to the benefits website. So we'll just kind of briefly go through. So number 1, inspired itineraries. Number 2, designed to delight. And number 3, dining refined. You can pause it to read it. And number 4, closer to culture. So just a cool little booklet. Again, you can pause it to read it if you want. Let's try to do this one-handed. Yeah, so I'm not gonna go too much over the actual like points multiplier benefits because you can find that online. This is just a quick unboxing video of the box. So when you look under, there's actually one more compartment when you lift this under, and it comes with the benefits guide. So it comes with this nice, so again, nice presentation overall, right? This blue flap, and then here you have the guides to benefit and reward program agreement. Again, I'm not gonna go over the details. You can find this all online. But yeah, overall, I'm very impressed with the presentation. So fun fact, I actually had this Chase Sapphire Reserve card since 2016. So I've been there since the beginning, since the 100,000 point bonus. And so this is the newer design. I'm really excited to get it. And I'm actually surprised that they sent me this box because usually they just give you an envelope, right? So I'm glad they were able to give me the complete set as if I was a new user. But yeah, overall, 10 years Chase Sapphire Reserve member has been great. And I can't wait to be another member for 10 more years and share my journey with everybody. Again, this is the new Chase Sapphire Reserve design. It's beautiful, maybe even gorgeous, but yeah, I really like it. So again, impressed with the presentation. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.